How to quickly transfer TikTok Paylater to Binance. Transferring funds from TikTok Paylater to Binance isn't a direct process, as TikTok Paylater functions as a buy now, pay later service, not a traditional wallet. However, you can follow these steps to access your funds and transfer them to Binance. First, settle your TikTok Paylater balance. Ensure your TikTok Paylater balance is fully paid off. You can check and pay your balance through the TikTok app or website. Now, once your balance is cleared, link a bank account to your TikTok account. So navigate to your TikTok profile, access payment settings, and add your bank account details, if you haven't already, of course. Now, after the funds are in your bank account, log into your Binance account. Go to the wallet section, select deposit, choose your preferred currency, for example PHP or USD, and follow the instructions to transfer funds from your bank to Binance. Now, a few tips. Processing time. Bank transfers may take 1 to 3 business days to reflect on your Binance account. And be aware of any transfer fees charged by your bank or Binance, and ensure both your TikTok and Binance accounts are fully verified to avoid any issues during the transfer process. Thanks for watching.